No, y'all want to hear it. What was I doing? Naja, what you doing? See, normally YouTube would really take this out, but I'm gonna leave this in here though. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Z1GB Naja back here with another video, and today my boy just picked up a limited edition Daytona Hellcat. Picked up 170 out of 501 Daytona Hellcats. Today we're going to check it out, see what it's working with. If this is your first time seeing on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. I'm also gonna put my boy stuff down below in the description. SRT DAYTONA. Let's get straight into it. So we got a limited edition Daytona Hellcat. Y'all gotta check this out, man. We got him hitting on dribbling that over here though. Hit the driver. I'm hitting on dribbling that. Look at it. Hold on. I'll be ashamed. You can't even cross your sign up, bro. Edition Hellcat Daytona. Hellcat Daytona. First off, this is SRT double car right here, man. Y'all see him right here.
Show y'all lock into the channel, man. We going up.
So, man, y'all know I love white, man. White, and then I think the previous owner put the blue on the top. Now, the only thing that is not original is the wheels. I know they come with the hyper silver, some kind of silver that goes on here, but man, I don't even care, man. White on black look good to me.
Hey, for y'all to know that it's official, come check the bag now. Check the bag, you see what number it is.
Y'all see that? No, y'all see that. Hold on, let it focus. Y'all let it focus. No, y'all see that, man. No, y'all see it. Everything in here official, man. Limited edition. Now, the only thing that y'all gonna hate. Now, Double used to do all the crazy stuff ever in his other Hellcat. Sadly, he ain't gonna be doing that with his car. Aww. So, a lot of y'all probably not gonna like that. He gonna be a little boring. He ain't gonna be doing all the donuts, the burnouts, because this is a limited edition car. So, that's the sad part about this whole thing. But you know, the car look better. It's definitely an upgrade for sure. But sad he ain't gonna be doing the dash. I gotta admire this Hellcat right here, man. I gotta admire this. Yeah, I gotta admire it. Had the Brimbos to match the top of the car here. Match the whole top, which is blue. Not really too much you can say, man. The car does a lot of the talking, man. Car does a lot of the talking. Y'all know I'm a fan of white. Real big fan of white. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see the inside here once again from the driver's perspective view. I do like these seats. If y'all look closely, y'all can see the blue stitching matches the seats. Man, that's small details. That's what I'm all about. And look, he just got the car not too long ago. He's already got the pedal box installed, man. Already got the pedal box. My boy Double don't be bullshitting, man. I think he's also got tie letters coming. Tie letters, and he is gonna put the rims back to the silver color. And I think he's gonna leave it alone. He's not gonna do too much because at the end of the day, it is a limited edition car. So I don't wanna do nothing too outrageous. know y'all gonna wanna hear it too. Y'all gonna wanna hear it. Know y'all wanna hear it. Nothing too major. I think it's factory. Ain't no mid-muffler delete. I think he said he's not gonna touch the exhaust either. Not gonna touch the exhaust. Gonna leave everything factory. Like I said, limited edition. You don't wanna do too much. You wanna keep everything mostly stock as possible. So that's pretty much gonna be it. Like I said, this is the 2020, the only year they made the Daytona Hellcats. I think this is number 51. If I'm wrong, he'll correct me later on. I think this is number 51 out of, I don't know. He'll correct me down in the comments. Really enjoyed the video. That is gonna be all for this one. Definitely appreciate Double G for letting me review his Daytona Hellcat limited edition. 170 out of 501. Tough how he got it. Whole story is crazy. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Y'all stay tuned till next time. Y'all do all the good stuff. I'm gonna link double stuff down below in the description. Y'all already know to go follow all my stuff. And until next time, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.